Today, we would attempt recreating the embellishments done on this gorgeous dress. If you'll be interested in going along with this entire process, please make sure to watch this video all the way through. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and feel free to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get started. Alright friends, we're going to jump straight into today's video. You will need your beading needle. What I have here is the size 12 beading needle. I typically love using the size 11 beading needle. You will need your thread of choice. For the sake of today's video, I'll be working with my polyester thread. If you don't know the types of threads that you can use when it comes to beading, I have a different video talking specifically about threads for beading. I'll link it in the show notes. Go check it out to learn more. You will need your fabric or outfit of choice. Whatever you're trying to bead, get it out. Because this is an educative tutorial, I'm going to be beading on this piece of fabric. This is called felt, F-E-L-T. You need your fabric pencil to make illustrations on your outfits that you're trying to bead. This right here is in color yellow. I have my fabric pencil in different colors. For those that are curious about where to get this, you can get this online off of a platform like AliExpress. I got mine specifically from AliExpress. This is not sponsored. I'm just plugging you into what I know. You can also get this on Amazon. You can get it from your local sewing accessories shop. For those that live in North America, you should be able to get fabric pencil from a place like Michael's or Fabricland. Do not quote me. I didn't buy mine there. I'm just suggesting places to check. You can also check somewhere like Etsy, Amazon. All those kinds of websites would have fabric pencil for sale, or just walk into your local market. For my people that live in a place like Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, anywhere in West Africa or just Africa in general, go to your local market and ask them for fabric pencil. If you are not able to get this, you can substitute this with maybe your fabric chalk if that's what you have in your own area. You would also need your bead of choice. For the type of beading pattern that we're trying to recreate today, you would need what we call broken glass bead or just glass bead. Some people call this glass bead, some people call it broken glass beads. Feel free to take a screenshot if you just need it to take along with you when you go shopping so you make the right decision. For the sake of this video, I've gone ahead to make an illustration on this piece of fabric, something similar to the upper half of the outfit that we are trying to replicate. This is the pattern that I see with the beading going on that outfit, and we're going to go ahead to start beading on this portion that I've marked out. At this point, I will most likely be doing a voiceover for us, just explaining everything that I'm doing. Make sure you don't skip through the video so you don't miss any important information. If you have questions for me regarding anything that we do in today's video, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll go ahead to respond to you as soon as possible. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're yet to, and let's jump straight into today's tutorial. Alright friends, so this is how far we've gone with the entire process. Let me just pull you back a little. Yeah, so this is what we have here. I just want to point out for us really quickly how to go about something like this if you were to bead an outfit similar to what we have right here. I went ahead to bead the bust area using the straight beading pattern method. I've done an intense tutorial on the straight beading pattern. If you're new here again, I believe I must have linked it in the show notes. Feel free to go check that out. That was what I used in achieving this portion. But to the main reason why we are here, because of the way you see how the silhouette of this outfit is, I would recommend that when beading, bead from one end of the waist area, right, all the way to the half length of your outfit. Bead from one side, get to the middle, and then start beading again from the other side. If I keep beading from one side, what I will have is that when I get to this corner of my outfit, the beading will start to not really make a lot of sense. So most likely with most beading, when it comes to proper outfits, you have a lot of beaders. So I would recommend that you have beaders beading from different angles of the outfit in such a way that when they come to a meeting point on the outfit, everything blends together seamlessly. I hope everything that I'm saying makes sense. So you don't want to just bead from one side and just continue all the way. So imagine if this outfit is on a body form, you don't want to bead from one side and just keep beading like that. You want the beading to come from two sides of your outfit and meet at the center, just to create something that makes sense. I'm going to put a picture of the outfit that we're trying to recreate on the screen. We see how the beading from the underbust all the way to the half length of this outfit looks. Everything is blending together from side to side seamlessly. The waist is cinched and everything just looks beautiful. It blows out a little bit as we start to approach the hip area of the outfit. Exactly. I hope all of that makes sense. So I'm just going to continue doing my straight beading, following the curve of this illustration that I've done on my fabric, and then I'll come back to show us the end result of this beading pattern. Alright friends, this is the end of today's tutorial. So we see how this looks following the straight beading method. This is what you would typically get. So it just replicates that entire process on an outfit. This is what my makeshift blouse looks like, with the clustered beading, the tightly packed beading, similar to what we have right here on the screen. I hope we all found today's video useful. If you did, please remember to hit the thumbs up button. A lot of you guys watch my videos, drop comments about how you love the video, but it does not reflect on the number of likes. So please take a second right now to just go ahead to tap that like button. Also subscribe to this channel. You will typically get videos similar to what you just watched on here on this channel. I'm on my way to 100,000 subscribers. I would like you watching this video right now to be part of my first 100,000 subscribers. I can't wait to come on here to celebrate that milestone with you. So please take a few seconds to click that subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe. Remember to click on the bell notification right beside subscribe as well, so you'll be the first to know every single time I post a new video. Feel free to share this tutorial as well with a friend, anyone that you think will find this kind of video valuable. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching today's video again. And yeah friends, I can't wait to see you all in another video very soon. Bye.